Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Monday, and we have a fun box here from Variety Fun Box. So, guys, open up the box. Let mommy come over. Let me come over so we can see all the goodies that Fun Variety sent us. So this is what the box looked like. OMG, this is cute. What does the note say, Jackson? Take it out and read it.
Talk about.
Can I read it?
Family goals. We hope you and your.
Where are you?
I can read it.
Munchkin.
Little munchkins and hubby enjoy munching on these delicious snacks. Snack on. Variety Fun Team.
Oh, thank you. And he's a first grader, so this is what the note says. Hi, hey Janice, talk about fam goals. We hope you and your little munchkin and hubby enjoy munching on these delicious snacks. Knock on Variety Fun Team. Thank you so much, guys, for sending us this box filled with goodies. Go ahead, guys, and pick out a snack for. And pick out a snack. So you guys can subscribe to this service right here. It's varietyfun.com, and they will send you a box filled with goodies. Like, look at this. It's like when you go to Walmart and you get different stuff.
I found hot fries.
Oh, look at this.
I don't know what to get.
What else is in here? Ooh. There's all kind of good goodies in here.
I like the hot fries.
You get one snack?
Oreos. I'm definitely getting that. Never mind. Oh, look.
Airheads.
Hair ads. Oh, man.
No, it's fruit.
This box is filled with stuff. I think it's so worth the price. Oh my word. And we're still going. We're not even at the bottom.
Is these
Wow.
cookies?
Look at that, guys.
Really?
You don't even, it's like, you don't even have to go to the store and figure out what you're going to get. It just comes with, you have peanut, grandma's cookies.
I'm getting this. I'm getting these.
Which one are you guys getting for today's snack? All right, pick it out and go put it on the counter. You're getting hot fries? Okay, go put it next to yours. What are you getting, Jordan? That one. My word. Thank you guys so much. This is so nice. This is such a generous. Oh my gosh. No, just one snack. One snack, buddy. Okay. All right. So I will show you guys what the kiddos got. This is really good. Thank you guys so much to Fun Variety. Oh, look how cute the box is. So Variety Fun. Make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have their link down below. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another week of lunch video. Today is Monday, and we have Variety Fun. They sent us a box filled with goodies. So the children were able to pick out a snack, and that box is filled. Like, I don't know how they stuffed that little box, but thank you so much for sending this package to our family. It was really exciting for the kids to open it. So today's lunch is Lunchable, right? Lunchable. So instead of turkey, which is protein, I gave them peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is protein, right? I figured it would be much more fun for them to have peanut butter than turkey. So we have peanut butter, mini twist pretzel, mandarin orange, butter round cracker, and some extra sharp cheese. And then from the Variety Fun box, Jaxson, this is Jaxson. Jaxson picked out the Funyuns. He has a spork for his blue, berry blue gelatin. And then he has his water. And then this is Jason. He's having the same exact thing, except he's having pudding. This is vanilla pudding. And then he's having hot fries. This came in the Variety Fun box. And then this is Miss Destiny. She's having the same exact thing, except she's having banana, strawberry banana yogurt. And she picked out the grandma's chocolate chip cookies. And then this is Miss, push these over. So like I'm running out of space on this island. And this is Mr. Jordan. And he's having the same thing. He picked out strawberry yogurt. And he picked out the same cookies as Destiny. But this one is peanut butter. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much to Variety Fun for sending us this box. And if they do send me a discount code, I will link it in this video. Bye guys. Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. Welcome back to another day of lunch video. Guys, check it out. Check it out. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. I love it. Anyways, that's not why I'm here. Lunches. Today's Tuesday. And Miss Destiny wanted to use this box again. I'm not a fan of it. It doesn't clean properly. Like, it gets smears everywhere. And being that I'm so OCD, it bothers me. So, I don't know. I have a few more for the other kids. But this is the box for next year. But Destiny wanted, you know what Destiny wants, Destiny get. You know what I mean? This is just a turkey and cheese sandwich. And then I what? Can't even speak today. I used these pens to create polka dot. I'm not that creative. She had some cheese, her mandarin cup, her Chex Mix from her Variety Fun box, water, her spork for her mandarin, pretzel, carrot, and ranch. So that's Miss Destiny. This is Jason. He's having spinach, turkey, and cheese because he didn't get any fruit. He didn't get any vegetables, so I put spinach on his to get his vegetable in for the day. We have some pretzel stick, mandarin orange. He has some Dorito, Cool Ranch from Variety Fun Box. And he has a pudding and his water and his pork. Moving on over here to Jordan. I'm getting so good at whose box is whose. He's having the same thing. He has some ranch here for his carrot. He has some, he has a string cheese over here, his pretzel stick, carrot, and then he chose a Rice Krispie treat from the Variety Fun box. And then he has a mandarin orange here, his water, and these are our Good Bin sporks. Love them. And then over here to Jaxson, my first grader. He's having the same sandwich, pretzel stick, carrot, ranch dressing, and his string cheese. He chose an Airheads blue raspberry from the Variety Fun box. And he has a gelatin here, his water, and his spork. So I will see you guys
Next week.
Where did you come from? Next week? Tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. What? I'm excited because you know I love Friday. I love Friday. And anything that gets us closer to Friday makes me very excited. We still have Variety Fun box here because that's where the kids been choosing their, and I've been saying fun variety. What? Either way, it's fun. They've been choosing their snack out of that box. So convenient because as a mom, you don't have to go to the store and worry about what snack to pick out for your kids. Anywho, kids are having banana peanut butter sushi roll. And Cheez-It, pretzel, peanut, raisin, cucumber, ranch, what is this? Yogurt with sprinkle. Jordan is having a sweet and salty peanut from the Variety Fun box. His pork and his water. This is Miss Destiny. She does not have any raisin because she doesn't eat raisin. So there's just Cheez-It, pretzel, and peanut. Her sushi roll, cucumber, ranch, spork, and her Cheez-It, white cheddar. Her water. Mr. Jason is having the same exact thing, except he's having barbecue Lay's potato chips. His spork, water, and his ranch. Mr. Jackson is having the same exact thing, except he's having a Cocoa Crispy Treat chocolate flavor. His spork is water. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Friday. Friday. Friday is fun day. Not really. Anyways, today's Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. They didn't have, they had school yesterday, but it was a half day. And when it's half day, they're not required to bring lunch because they get out at 12. So, here we are now on Friday. The last day picking snack out of the box, and we have one snack left. And the toddler been snacking like none other. So, you best believe that box was packed. It was, Anyways, we're having Lunchable today. So, we have some carrots here, some ranch over here for their carrot. They have some cracker right here. Jordan has some cracker. We have some turkey cut out in the shape of angels because they are angels. Applesauce, mandarin orange, and their cheese. I'm gonna put that right there. And their spork, all fit. He's gonna have, this is Jordan, he's gonna have salted peanut from the Variety Fun box. His water. And let's see if it all fits. I wanna hear that snap. Come on, snap for me, baby. Oh, did I hear a snap? Oh, snap. Look at that. Perfect. Just like that. That kid is ready. Miss Destiny is having the same exact thing. So, like that. For her sports on top. She's gonna have a lemon cream from the Variety Fun box. And let's see if we hear another snap. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend this week because it's Memorial Day weekend, and the kids have a 4-day weekend this weekend because they don't have school on Monday. And I'm excited, and they get out of school on Friday next week. Next week is their last week, and you know, this mother is excited because school is getting ready to be out, and I don't have to do this for another few months. This is Jackson. He's gonna have a spicy cheddar from the Variety Fun box. Hopefully it's not too spicy for him. But yeah, so I'm excited. I know some of you guys are already out of school and enjoying your summer vacation. And I'm excited for you guys. So I hope a lot of you have fun this summer. And I know a lot of you guys are kids. So please don't give your mommy no talking and, you know, make her blood pressure go up and stuff. Just behave yourself this summer if you can. Because summer is fun. And this is Jason. And he's having a fruit and nut trail mix from the Variety Fun box. And this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this week worth of lunch videos. The Variety Fun Box is available. It's a subscription service. You subscribe. They have different variety of snacks. You have healthy snack. You have your regular snack, which you saw here. They have fit, if you're into fitness and all of that. They have that as well. I think it was a fit box or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But you can go on their website and find out all the details. They do have a coupon code going on right now where you save 25% off your first box. So I would recommend that, because if you're a busy mom and you don't want to be fussing about, what kind of snack your kids are gonna, have, you can have this delivered to your house on a monthly basis, twice a month, whatever you so choose or desire. You can do that with the Variety Fun Box. So go check out their website, varietyfun.com, and see if this is something that will work for your family. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting our family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And what happened, Jaxson? Because I see you creeping. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So I will see you guys next week for the last week of school lunch videos. Bye, guys.